Hey, we thought we'd check in unexpectedly, and I've gotten the video camera out recording him, and he is very suspicious. As he should be, because I've got the harmonica. I've had this since I was a little kid, and this is what happens when I tried to play. Actually, not that all three of my, or two, no, three of my last dogs have done the same thing. They just will not allow me to play this harmonica. One more time. Good boy, Red. Alrighty. Hello from Redford and Jim. Alrighty.